What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're out here this evening at the Susquehanna River. We just had a pretty big storm pass through, so I'm hoping that it's going to get these fish fired up, eating, moving around. But I'm going to be tossing around a jerkbait, and I'm also going to be tossing around a Nikko Craw. But let's get fishing. All right, well, the rain finally let up. It's been dumping rain for a couple hours now. So we're gonna use this break in the weather and hopefully get on some smallies. I got a Nikko Craw here I'm gonna throw around. It's a mud bug color. I got it on a North Branch Tackle sled jig. That's a 2-aught hook on there, 1/8 ounce. Then I have a little prototype jerkbait here from Susquehanna Custom Lures that I'm gonna use as well. I'm gonna start here and probably start with the craw. Had to figure out my way off that freaking cliff right there. The river just keeps washing it out. Yeah, so with this craw, a little tip I want to show you guys is I actually sliced the craw. As you can see, it's sliced all the way through. I can actually stick my finger through it. And I slice it like that because there's a lot of plastic on this craw, so to help the hook come up and penetrate more so you get a better hookup, it just allows that hook to kind of be inserted through there, keeps the plastic out of the way. Fishing this on a Bull Bay Rods Bansee. This is a 6'8" medium heavy, extra fast Shimano SLX DC reel, 10-pound fluorocarbon. But with it pouring the way it was, thinking it's going to wash a lot of nutrients and bait and everything else into the water, get these fish fired up, hopefully get them in a feeding mode. All right, so here's the prototype jerkbait from Susquehanna Custom Lures. So they will be available soon, but we're going to test this one out, see if we can get on some. I did catch a little dinker on one on this lure. Was it yesterday? Yeah, let's see if they want the jerkbait. Nothing on that craw. Oh, I was just cranking it in as fast as I could. Well, there was a little one. I'm surprised he caught up with it and ate it. And I was reeling that pretty fast. All right, well, there's some sign of life. There we go. There's one. Okay, well, they're in a chasing mood. Doesn't feel like a big one, but hey, at least we're not getting skunked. And we get to see if this prototype works as well. Here we go, first one of the evening. Not a giant, but hey, we're catching something. Thanks for biting, bud. All right, well, I'm gonna make a couple more casts here then before we leave. I was about to go to another spot. But yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So this is a drain, as you can see, flowing water because of all the rain. And it washes food, or washes nutrients, and then these minnows and everything else come and eat. It draws the bass in. Gotta be more around here somewhere. So all right, well, there's either no fish here or they don't want the craw, so time Time to try the jerk bait out. There we go. There's one. Oh, there was one. Dang it. All right, well, that's a promising sign. At least there's fish here. Too bad we just lost them. Oh, keep getting hit. Unless it was grass, kind of felt like a hit. One was definitely a bite. Definitely felt the head shakes. Yeah, fish just jumped out there. I can't cast that far though. It was way out there. Maybe it's just not the right time yet. Maybe we have to let it get a little bit later. There's probably like an hour left of daylight. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's just a golden hour bite. Got one. Ate it on the fall. Oh, not ready for that. I was just looking around and I was like, man, it feels like there's weight on my line. There we go. Sit on the crawl. That's a good one too. Better than that other one we caught. Ouch. He's angry. Why are you so mad? There we go. That's a good one. Getting better. All right, thanks for biting. All right, so we got one on the jerk bait and one on the craw. Like I said, I casted that one out there, and as soon as it hit the water and was falling, he snatched it up. That's why it always pays to pay attention. Caught myself sleeping there for a minute. I was like, whoa, this feels like fish. I mean, I threw that jerk bait around a handful of times too. Probably like 10 casts, nothing. Threw this crawl around, went back to the crawl and choked it. Moral of the story, just never give up. Keep trying to switch up baits and keep casting. Fish just blew up on top water over there. Oh, we just got hit again right there. Same spot I caught that other one. Okay. Maybe they're starting to come out now and eat. Dude, you guys see them jumping out there? It's just too far for me to cast though. Hopefully they start working their way over here. Looks like they're getting a little bit closer. Just saw another one jump. Oh, we just had one right there. Wow. What a change of events. Went from nothing to freaking everywhere now. There's one. Decent. It's not bad. Alright, we just had to let it get a little bit later out. Another one on the crawfish. Dude. These little guys, they just have tons of energy. Another one on the crawl. All right, real quickly, I want to show you how I rig these crawls on the sled rig here. So I don't use a keeper. I just have it tied right there in the eye. I hook the tail, just like that. Come straight over the weight. Spin it around. Like I said, I do have a little slit cut in here. And I just put my hook right up through there. Just like that. That's how I'm rigging it. All right, I'm gonna end the video here, guys, but I appreciate you clicking this video. Please hit that thumbs up, please leave a comment. But not a bad evening of fishing at all. Sometimes you just gotta wait, sometimes you just gotta jump spots too, switch up baits. But I'll see you guys soon. Stay fishing, stay anchored.